RNeasy Plus, adding the plus to your RNA extraction. QIAGEN RNeasy Plus kits provide high-quality RNA purification, effective gDNA eliminator technology, faster and simpler gDNA removal protocols, optimal results for any downstream application, even the most sensitive. Our RNeasy Plus kits deliver high-quality RNA in minutes. Standard enzymatic gDNA removal takes at least 15 minutes. With RNeasy Plus kits, the same result is achieved within 30 seconds. How? The unique gDNA eliminator columns remove gDNA more efficiently than DNase, resulting in less steps without compromising on RNA yield and quality. Instead of combining RNeasy kits and DNase, you just need one RNeasy Plus kit. RNeasy Plus kits. Fast, convenient, and cost-effective. Order your RNeasy Plus kit now.